Hello and welcome. Today's vlog is all going to be about Lamborghini's Aventador SVJ Roadster. What is this, you may ask me? But take a look. What is adrenaline rush? Human being can feel anxiousness, nervousness or pure excitement as the body and mind are preparing for an event. There are certain events which can cause a human being such an adrenaline rush like skydiving, bungee jumping, surfing, scuba diving. But there is something which can create same feelings as these extreme sports. This is Lamborghini's answer to it. It's all new Lamborghini Aventador SVJ 63 Roadster, a pure breed of brutal, raw and filled with enough kick to give you the same adrenaline rush when you jump out of the plane or in the harsh sea. It's the same drop-top version of iconic SVJ Coupe. The numbers here are totally dialed up. This Aventador SVJ Roadster has a 6.5 liter V12 which is rear mounted and which has a power displacement of around 770 brake horsepower and a torque output of 720 Newton meters. It has a staggering top speed of 354 kilometers per hour with roof down, of course. Roof down here is such an important aspect because of the car's raw power output, the top speed and the engine rumble which you hear all contributes to a quick jolt of adrenaline rush in your body and the desire and the unquenchable thirst for driving fast and cutting corners and setting new lap records around a racetrack. Believe me, it's a SVJ that brings you close to the action. It has 7-speed manual gearbox which is really rubbish at slow speeds. But in the brutal Corsa mode, this is the best performing gearbox with accelerations from 0 to 100 km per hour in just 2.8 seconds. The ALA system on this Lamborghini Aventador SVJ Roadster is a big deal because Lamborghini spent around 3 to 4 years developing this system to perfect it so as it can distribute the downforce perfectly from front to rear and from left to right. But due to car's drop-top feature, it essentially makes this car more aggressive and unstable when the roof is down because of the hole on the cabin, which makes it worse for distribution of the downforce, but it works as intended and perfectly on Aventador SVJ Coupe, which is a hardtop version of this Roadster. Lamborghini Aventador SVJ Roadster is really uncomfortable because of its hard seats. If you are 6 feet and above in height, your head sticks out of the roof and there is a lot of noise in the cabin because of the wide tires and the rumble of that V12 and the wind noise. But there is always a but. Every moment you will spend behind the steering wheel of this car will always be a thriller, a exciting, a electrifying and a stimulating moment of your life. With rear wheel steering, 1600 kg of weight, all-wheel drive system, 400 mm of carbon ceramic disc brakes, chassis made up of carbon fiber as well as aluminium. Some of the major parts of this car made up of carbon fiber, and the power to weight distribution on this car makes it a perfect recipe of a supercar which has been brought to us by Lamborghinis. With this supercar in hand, the thought of stopping never comes to our mind, but eventually we have to stop here. So on this bombshell, let's end today's vlog and I'll see you tomorrow. Till then, ciao.